Hi there, good morning. So I am in my garden and I'm about to repot my seedlings that I've planted some time ago. And as I was looking at them, I thought I will record a video about an analogy that I often use when I deliver motivational interviewing training. So I would like you to think about conversations about change. Could be any conversations, could be supporting people into employment, or it could be a conversation to help your staff member grow, or it could be talking to your family member, any conversation really. But think about it, every conversation that we have with someone, we are planting seeds of change. What I mean by seeds of change, we are planting thoughts, ideas. And sometimes we don't see the results straight away. We don't see the growth. So what I mean by lack of growth, it could be lack of action. It could be lack of results, could be lack of engagement. And when we don't see results ourselves, it can be very frustrating because we can start thinking, well, what's the point? This person is not committed, or they are not serious, they are not taking action. But actually, just because we don't see the action and results straight away doesn't mean that things are not happening. And this is where my seedlings come in. So I've planted them same time, same soil, same conditions, and you can see that some of them are so tall that they are bending. Some of them only started poking through, and some of them are not even through the ground, through the soil yet. These ones I left months ago in the garden. They are covered in moss, thinking probably nothing will grow. And here we are, they are poking through. Now, this is exactly what often happens with people that we work with. Sometimes change will not happen immediately. Sometimes people need to get comfortable with change, think about change before they take action. And sometimes we may not see those results straight away, but just because we don't see it, it doesn't mean that something is not happening. So every conversation that we have with people, we have an opportunity to be intentional, to provide them with affirmations, for example. If you don't know what I mean by affirmations, you can watch the previous video I recorded. But we want to focus on what's strong rather than what's wrong. Maybe we have some feedback we want to provide about intentions and efforts that they've made, and let the person walk away, go home, and we might think we haven't done much, but we got them thinking. They might start noticing those strengths in themselves, and maybe that will help them to take action because they will have more confidence and self-belief that actually they are capable and they can do something. But what we are doing every time we have a conversation and we are intentional, we are watering those seeds. We are providing some nutrition to those seeds, some food, plant food that we are providing. And eventually something will sprout. Yes, some seeds will not grow. Some seeds will never germinate. Sometimes people will not change. And that's okay. We just need to accept that. But what I'm trying to say here is, with every conversation that we have, we can be intentional with what we are doing and have the best interest in helping someone. And even if we don't see the results straight away, it doesn't mean that growth is not happening. So I hope that makes sense. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.